I listened to a Shiv Stotram and it completely changed the connection that I have with Bhagwan Shiva. Namaste everybody, welcome to Mind Matters with Subiksha. I hope all of you all are doing well. So recently I regularly chant Lingashtakam, which is a very small, sweet stotram about the Lingam. And in that website there was also other stotrams and my eyes went to the Nirguna Manasa Puja. And I went there, I understood nothing. Everything was difficult in that. And then I went to websites and saw what exactly was this Nirguna Manasa Puja. I listened to the stotram. It was very nice. I'll link the stotram in the description box. If you want to listen to it, I'll give you all the link to it. And when I listened to it, I felt a sense of calmness, a sense of grounding that no other stotram gave me. So I really wanted to go and see what exactly they are trying to say in this. And this is a stotram which is composed by Guru Adi Shankaracharya. It is a conversation between a guru and a Sishya. So the Sishya asks if everything in the world is done. This concept is about non-duality. So if everything is formless, if Shiva is formless, how are we going to seat him? How are we going to do Abhishekam of him? What are we going to offer as food? What are we going to offer as flowers and incense stick, agarbatti? What are we going to do? And the Guru replies to all of these. So I will read out what exactly the Sishya asks. So the Sishya asks, if Shiva is Sachidananda, how are we worshipping him? How are we washing the feet, giving arghya? How are we bathing, clothing? How are we giving flowers and abhushan to the formless? How do we use agarbatti, deepam, nevedyam and tambulam? And in front of what will we do our namaskaram? Such beautiful lines. So to this, the Guru replies in a form which is going to blow your mind. The Guru says, the way we meditate is the seat of Shiva, and pure awareness of ourself and of God is the chandanam which we put on the lingam. Devotion towards the God is the flowers which we shower on the God. The breath control and the mantra which we chant is the incense stick or the agarbatti which we are offering. Self-knowledge, like Ramana Maharishi says, self-knowledge is what we are offering Shiva as Nevedyam. And inner bliss, the joy which we get from all this is the deepam or the lamp which is being lit. And union with the Brahman is the prasadam which we are offering. So this blew my mind because right now some people in my comments, they say, how do I build a faith with God? How do I get the connection with God? God is inside you also. So for some people, especially for me, I felt like Bhagwan Shiv, how can some Shiv stay in one particular place? Like, is it a form? It was difficult for me to understand the Shiva's presence in a form. So for me, Nirguna, formless was the best way I could connect with Bhagwan Shiva. So if you are anybody like me struggling with building the relationship with God, then I want you to listen to the Nirguna Manasa Puja every single day. So my channel Mind Matters. So Mind Matters in Subiksha, in that I feel like your mind is the seat where God lives. So your mind can get cloudy, but there is Shiva that is sitting there in your mind. What can go wrong with you? There is nothing that can go wrong with you. And as I was listening to the Shiva Manasa Puja today, I knew that this was a sign from Bhagwan Shiv himself that I had to come and make a video about it, because I went on YouTube and there were not many videos about Nirguna Manasa Puja. There is one more stotram which is Shiva Manasa Puja that has some views, but this one had no views. But there was this beautiful rendition. I will link them in the description. Please go and support the channel, comment in their channel, like the video. They have beautifully sung it, and the message from the Nirguna Manasa Puja Stotram is this, that God resides in your mind. So the way you clean your mind and the way you clear out those negativities is how you become closer to the God and how you become closer to the One. So I definitely want you all to go and listen to the Nirguna Manasa Puja of Bhagwan Shiv by Adi Shankaracharya, and let me know in the comments about what you think about the non-duality concept. Non-duality is You are God, God is you. You are one with the Brahman. So you don't see God as an outside thing. It is something that you experience within yourself. Let me know in the comments and hit the subscribe button. I will see you all in another video. Until then, bye bye.